All right, guys, let's work the problem of the day today. So what you've got here is you've got 4x squared y cubed z to the 10th over 10xy z to the 12th, and it's all being squared. Okay? Now, in order for you to do this, there's two ways you could do it. The way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to simplify what's inside the parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to simplify what's inside the parentheses here. And after I've simplified it, then I will square it. Okay? And so, what is 4 over 10 when you reduce it? 2 over what? 2 over 5. So I've got 2 over 5. And then, what did I tell y'all earlier in the week? When you divide like bases, so I've got x here and x here. When you divide like bases, what do you do with their exponents? Huh? Subtract them, right. And so the exponent understood to be over this x is 1. So I'm dividing like bases. So I'm going to subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. Now where does the x to the first go? On top or bottom? On top, because the 2's on top. So I've got x on top. So now let's do y cubed divided by y. Again, guys, when you divide like bases, what do you do with their exponents? Subtract them. This y is understood to the first power. So I'm going to do 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay, now, is the higher exponent on top or on bottom? On top, so the y squared will go on top. And now we've got z to the 10th divided by z to the 12th. Okay, so right here we're going to do 12 minus 10, which is, 2. Does the z to the second go on top or on bottom? Where? On bottom. See, the 12th is bigger than the 10th. And so when you subtract it, your result goes where the highest exponent is, so I'll have z to the second on bottom. Okay? Now we're not done yet. Now what we need to do is take everything that's inside the parentheses here, and we need to square it. Okay? So let's do that. So I've got 2 squared. What is that? 4. And then I have x squared, right? And then y squared being squared. This is a power to a power, so what do we do with the exponents? Multiply. When you have a power to a power, you multiply, so that'd be y to the 4th over 5 squared is 25, and z squared to the second power is z to the 4th. And so that'll be your final answer right there.